Want to master your money in 2025? Then watch this. Did you know that 83% of New Year's financial resolutions fail by February? I mean, we get it. We all know that the gym is packed in January, but come February or March, not so much. But here's the thing, your financial resolutions don't have to. If you're ready to set real, achievable financial goals, then stick around. I'm sharing 7 proven steps inspired by financial experts like Dave Ramsey, books like The Richest Man in Babylon, and our very own The Save and Spend System. And trust me, number 4 just might change your life. Most people fail at goal setting because they're too vague. So let's fix that. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, you've got to set goals like, I will save $5,000 by March 1st for a vacation. It's straight from Brian Tracy's book, Goals. And it works because it gives you a clear target. By the way, of course, this concept ties perfectly in with our flagship video, which is the Save and Spend System. You should check that out for even more tips on building a budget that works and where to put this money that you're saving. Step 2 is building daily habits around your goals. James Clear says in Atomic Habits, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your system. So create habits that move the needle, like setting up automatic savings or doing a weekly budget review. It's small, consistent actions that make a big difference. In my family, we do a weekly budget review every single Sunday night. It works for us, maybe it'll work for you too. Step 3, budget with a purpose. Your budget is your roadmap. Make sure it reflects your priorities. So whether that's debt repayments, saving up for big expenses or retirement, building your emergency fund. For example, if you're maxing out plans this year, I don't know, a 401k and an HSA, maxing out the IRA contributions, you should watch a different video I put out on maxing out your accounts. I broke it down pretty much step by step. Now here's a game changer. Step 4, build liquidity for flexibility. Keep your cash liquid. There's a financial expert out there, Susie Orman, who stresses the importance of emergency funds, especially when the markets are unpredictable. And with potential price drops post the election, maybe price increases, who knows, you'll thank yourself for having accessible cash ready to pounce on those opportunities, or of course, handle the surprises. Step 5, start your infinite banking policy. Now, if you're serious about taking control of your money, look into the infinite banking concept. It's a strategy where you can save, grow, spend your money, all while keeping it together and keeping it working for you. My wife and I have these policies. We practice this in our family. We review these policies each and every year so we can plan out our purchases. Thanks to this system, we've been able to pay for so much of everything. Our household expenses, things like couches and washing machines, to the bigger stuff like cars, without having to rely on the third-party banks or going into debt. Like I mentioned before, our video, the Save and Spend System, will take you into a deeper dive of this step, exactly how that works. Step 6, you've got to continue learning. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. So you've got to pick up books like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey if you're working on getting out of debt. Or you've got to follow podcasts like The Minimalist to stay motivated, stay informed. Of course, you can follow our podcast, the Banking Bros podcast, available on any of your podcast listening services. Step 7, track your progress. And don't forget to celebrate those goals. So don't just set goals, track them. So there are apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint that can make it really easy. And you've got to celebrate your wins. So whether it's hitting a savings milestone, I did save up that $5,000 I needed to go on vacation, or paying off a debt, I finally got rid of that credit card. Progress is progress. So these 7 steps will help you set up for success in 2025. But the key is action. Don't just watch this video and watch a bunch of others that are suggested for you on YouTube. Do. Click the link in the bio for a free cash consultation call, and we can help you create a plan to crush your goals together. We'll see you out there, and happy banking.